How to buy Infinity Yieldor token. Now, as you can see, this token came under the symbol of yields. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic experts. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with this referral code. Simply use codes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 8 hours ago and increased by 2000% in the last 24 hours. As you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's meaning investment in the same place. This token trending number 15 on the Binance Smart Chain network. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address and open your BitGet wallet for that. As you can see, go to your wallet and select the BNB a chain as a network. Now click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. As you can see, now this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find the token that you just added called yield. So after you find it, what you need to do, click on it. Now here, click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure, of course, that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy. So in a while, you will be able to see how much you receive the token. So this is it that you can see. Now after that, it's easy and simple. Click here on swap, and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy yield token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.